Since computer communication has become so popular, there are many people who have turned to it to make money. It can be very lucrative if you know what you are doing. This video will provide you with some great starting points. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. Typically, the higher-paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will buy it. Make good use of your downtime. There are quite a few things that can be done online that you don't have to focus much on. Use a site like clickworker.com to make some money. Do the work instead of watching TV. You won't make a fortune this way, but you will be putting some of that goof-off time to work for you. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Never pay money to obtain work online. Legitimate work online should pay you, not the other way around. If a service is charging you to provide you with work opportunities, chances are they are just plain middlemen and providing links that are available for free if you know where to look. If you do not want to put a large monetary investment into your online business, consider buying and selling domains. Basically, purchase a domain at a rock-bottom price. From there, sell it for a profit. Remember, though, to do your research and figure out which domain names are in demand. Check out online forums dedicated to helping you find legitimate online work opportunities. There are many geared towards niches which you can find people just like you on, such as work-at-home mom forums. Once you join the community, you'll be geared towards making lots of money online. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Blogging is one of the more popular methods to making money online. If you do it for fun, why not profit from it? Ads will bring in the income. Then if your watchers click on the ad or banner, that company will pay you a dividend. Several websites out there pay for people to do tasks that cannot be handled by a computer. It might be flagging inappropriate activity or finding the name of a business on a receipt. These tasks require human intelligence to find the answer. They are reasonably simple to perform and can provide you with some extra money. Write a book. Because of the popularity of e-books, you can earn a living by writing books. Amazon has made it quite easy to write a book, publish it and offer it for sale. All you need is a computer, an Amazon account and a brilliant mind to pen words others will want to watch. You can make money online in many different ways. Do you have good telephone skills? Try searching for customer service jobs. Do you love writing fiction? Sell your stories on Amazon. Are you an expert stain remover? Put videos on DigitalOcean about how to do things. Joining survey sites is a great way to get your opinion heard and earn some extra income. Meanwhile, you probably won't be able to pay off all of your bills or buy a new car. You can certainly use the extra money. Many reputable sites will often pre-screen you for surveys and email you new ones when applicable. Working online takes some know-how and commitment. These suggestions are a great place for you to begin. Once you start making money online, you will surely meet others doing the same thing. You will be part of an ever-growing community of people. Get started today making your own online cash.